Good morning, children. I hope you all are doing good. Stay home, stay safe. Now, I am telling a beautiful story of yours. Once upon a time, there was a girl whose name was Goldilocks. She is very beautiful girl in this story and also have three bears, Papa bear, Mama bear and baby bear. One day she decided take a walk in the jungle because Goldilocks is on a picnic with her family, but she wanders away. She lost her way. And she sees a small cottage. It was very beautiful. That's why she was open the door and asked, "Hello, is anyone home?" But no one is there. But Goldilocks was very hungry. That's why she entered the kitchen. Table having 3 bowls of porridge. Goldilocks tries the porridge in the first bowl. It was too hot. She tries to second bowl of porridge. It was too cold. She tries to third bowl of porridge. It was seen just perfect. Goldilocks eats and puts the bowl in the kitchen sink. Goldilocks was a little tired. She wants to sit a comfortable chair. See, she's 3 chairs. 1, 2, 3. She tries to first chair too high. She tries to second chair too big. She tries to third chair. It was perfect. That's why Goldilocks sit on the chair. The chair was broken up into pieces. After some time, Goldilocks was very tired. She wanted to sleep somewhere. Goldilocks is sleepy. She sees 3 beds. 1, 2, 3. She tries to the first bed. It was hard. She tries to the second bed. Too soft. She tries to the third bed. Seeing just perfect. She slept on the bed. After some time, Papa bear, Mama bear, baby bear came back to their home. And they saw someone has eaten up their porridge. The Mama bear and the Papa bear and the Mama bear and the Papa bear said, "Who has been eaten up our porridge?" That the baby bear said, "Who has been eaten up my porridge?" To eaten up all. Then they saw the chairs. The Mama bear and the Papa bear said, "Who has been sitting on our chairs?" But the baby bear cried, "Who has been sitting on my chair and broken up into pieces?" And also the Mama bear and the Papa bear went into the bedroom. "Who has been sleeping on our beds?" But the baby bear said, "Who has cried and who has been sitting on my bed?" She tell on it. Goldilocks wake up. She was very scared. And also sit down and see to the Papa bear, Mama bear and baby bear. But the Papa bear asked, "Who are you?" "I am Goldilocks. I lost my way. I came here for help." But the Papa bear called Mama bear and baby bear called, and Papa bear said to the baby bear, Goldilocks was lost her way. That's why can you please take this little girl to her family? Okay, both are going. Baby bear and the Goldilocks was going, but the Goldilocks was say to the sorry of baby bear. Why? Because I am sorry for breaking your chair. But the baby bear said, okay, it's all right. Goldilocks thanks to the bears. She is very happy to go back to her family. This story was very funny and very beautiful story. How many members have in the bears in one cottage? There are 3 bears have in a small cottage. How many bowls of porridge have? There are 3 bowls of porridge have. How many chairs are there? There are 3 chairs have. Okay, how many beds are there? There are 3 beds are there. Where are you going to the Goldilocks? Goldilocks going to the jungle. Because she sees to the wonders. She lost her way and reached the bear's house. Are you understand my everyone? Okay, now I am telling to some of the true or false. Okay, now we are learn about it true or false. Okay, the first one, the bears were in the house when Goldilocks went in. It is false. Why? Because the 3 bears out of the house, the Goldilocks enter the home. That's why it is false. Okay, the second one, Goldilocks eat up all the porridge from all the 3 bowls. It was false because the Goldilocks tries to 3 bowls of porridge, but she ate only for 3rd bowl. It was perfect. That's why it was eaten up into all. Okay, the third one, Goldilocks slept on baby bear's bed. It's true. The baby bear's bed slept on the Goldilocks. That's why. Okay, third one, Goldilocks was sorry for what she had done. Yes, it is true. Because Goldilocks had done for baby bear's chair breakdown. That's why say to the sorry. Okay, the second Roman, answer the following questions. So all the members listen the lesson. That's why you will say the answers. Okay, I am asking some questions. First one, why did Goldilocks sleep on the 3rd bed? Because the Goldilocks tried to first bed, it was too hard. Tries to second bed, it was too soft. Goldilocks tries to 3rd bed, it was comfortable, slept on the bed. That's why Goldilocks slept on the 3rd bed. Okay, second question, what did Mama Bear ask baby bear? Mama Bear asked to the baby bear, you can please take this little girl, send her family. Okay, ma'am? And the third question, why did Goldilocks say sorry to baby bear? I am sorry for breaking your chair. Say to the Goldilocks to the baby bear. Are you understand, ma? Okay, the third Roman is match the following. Match the following of opposite words. What is this? Rock or stone. Stone was very hard. What is the symbol says? Left. What is this? Bucket. No full of water. That's why it is empty. What is this picture? Mouse. Mouse is very small. Okay, this picture says to, this symbol says to right. What is this picture? Teddy bear. Teddy bear was very soft. And also, what is this picture? Elephant. The biggest animal in the land. Elephant. It is very big. And also, What is this glass? A full glass of water. That's why write full. Okay. What is the heading? Match the following of opposite words. Some given pictures and words. Okay. Hard. Opposite word is soft. Left. Opposite word is right. Empty. Opposite word is full. Small. Opposite word is big. Everyone understand, ma? Okay. Now we are going to the Now the first Roman is naming words. The names of the people, places, things and animals are called naming words. For example, Goldilocks, people, place, jungle, things, chairs, animals, bears. These are called naming words. Some of the naming words I have in the story. Everyone make a list. Okay, ma? And also the second Roman is countable and uncountable naming words. What is the countable words? Once listen everyone. Countable naming words are naming words that can be counted. Countable naming words are everyone counted. That one only called countable words. For example, how many chairs are there? There are 2 chairs. Countable 2 chairs. And also, how many books are there? There are 4 books I have here. Okay. Some of the how many chalk pieces are have? There are 2 chalk pieces are have. And also these are the countable naming words. Okay. The second one is uncountable naming words. Uncountable naming words means uncountable naming words which cannot be counted. Which cannot be counted words is called uncountable naming words. For example, 3 waters, 2 milks, 5 porridges. It is not a countable naming words. It is a uncountable naming words. Cannot calculate with water. How many molecules are have in water? Cannot count it. That's why uncountable naming words. Okay. And also the third Roman is missing letters with spelling. Okay. Some of the fruits names have here. What are there? We are see. Okay. Orange. What is this, ma? Orange. Orange spelling you say O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Everyone say loudly. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. What is this fruit name? Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Okay. What is the third fruit name is Guava. G-U-A-V-A. Guava. Okay. The fourth one is apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Okay. The fifth one is mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. These are the missing letters with spellings. Okay. Now we are going to learn about it. Fill in the blanks. The fourth Roman is fill in the blanks. The first one is bears are dash in size. Elephant big in size. That's why bears also big in size. Bears also big in size. Okay. The second one is there are a dash in color. Bears which color have? Brown. Bears are brown in color you will write. Okay. And also the third one, bears live in forests. Live in forests. Okay. The fourth one is they eat honey. H-O-N-E-Y. Honey. Bears eat honey. Bears big in size. They are brown color. Bears live in a forest And the fourth one, they eat honey. This is the grammar part. And also have, let us speak. Let us talk about our family. Given to the textbook from page number 20. Let us speak. Let us talk about our family. I am asking some questions. You only ready to say? Okay, you will say. How many members are there in our family, in your family? The girl was saying to, there are 5 members in my family. Okay, the second question, do you have any brothers and sisters? Yes, I have an elder sister. For example, more questions have in your more questions you have, ask your partner, say that girl to you. It is called role play. Some questions you will ask, I am saying that you are asked to your partner. What is your name? You will ask to Goldilocks. What is your name? My name is Goldilocks. What is your mother name? My mother name is Sony. And what is your father name? My father name is Rohan. Okay, this type of questions you will ask. Okay, and also which class are you studying? I am studying in 2nd class. Okay, how many members have best friends? There are 1 best friend I have. This type of questions you will ask to your partner. That girl also asked you. Enjoy with your friend. Okay, ma? And also the last corner is the lesson art corner. What is this? Art corner. Coloring by key. Coloring by, it is enjoy with your book and colors. Color the following according to the key given. Okay, Papa Bear's things have the color, paint the color of sky blue. Mama Bear's things, color of the brown color. And Baby Bear's things paint the green color. How many beds are there? There are 3 beds are there. Okay, this bed is Papa Bear bed. This bed is Mama Bear bed. Papa Bear bed, which color draw the paint? Sky blue. Mama Bear, brown color. And the Baby Bear bed draw the paint of green color. How many beds are there? 3 beds, 3 chairs and 3 full of porridge bowls. Do you understand, ma? What do you doing? Which colors are painting in this art corner? Everyone doing after. Send your homeworks to me. Thanks to everyone.